Today, we will visit the BTS Cafe, the sacred place for armies near Jeju Eco Land. Let me introduce you to Young Forever. Did you know that this is the filming location for BTS's special album Young Forever? It's great for healing and relaxation, and the owner's friendly service and the taste of the drinks are fantastic. We hope all customers who visit BTS Cafe Young Forever have a great day. Wow, there are so many things to see nearby. Ecoland is perfect for this time of year. There's also Gyeore Natural Recreation Forest. There is also Jeju Stone Culture Park where you can take the photo of your life. Enjoy your time nearby Tilda. The exterior is simple Tilda. There are also 2 outdoor tables. Sitting outside on a nice day and having a drink. It's quiet, so I'm playing around on the grass. There are also 7 BTS special menus. We also have a variety of other menus and desserts, including cake. There are also drinks for the kids. Wood and colorful sofas go well together. You can see the lawn garden at a glance in front. The hot air balloon that appeared in the Hwangyeonwit MV. It's set in a cafe. It's spread out for you to see. Thank you for watching.